Since I've come out of the other side, I'm trying so hard just to breathe. And everything's hard, but I'm still alright. Adapting is easy for me. It felt like the walls might be closing in. It felt as though everything shrunk. But I'm like a bird on the river now. If I couldn't fly, I'd have sunk. And this will be okay. And I will be okay. Philosophies change as our years advance. Perspectives are suddenly clear. And things that you deemed worth a second glance, you gaze at with no doubt or fear. The times that you thought things could not get worse, the moments you thought you could die, well, you broke all the chains, yeah, you beat the curse. Now all of your planes fill the sky, and this will be okay. And I will be okay. The water flows with you. I flow downstream with you. Yeah! Walk into the sun, feel my spirits lifted. No one here remembers you, you never existed. And this will be okay. And I will be okay. The water flows with you. I flow